First I'll show you our 4 tanks, starting with the 20-gallon tank. Black sand is used for the substrate with live plants. Fish shown are albino catfish, black neons, striped angel, white angel, and yin yang white male guppies. Filtration is a SeaChem 55 unit and a separate Higger single sponge air filter. Also have a bubbler stone to place oxygen in the water. Second tank is 29-gallon with black sand and live plants. Fish shown are 2 male swordtails, white balloon molly, yo-yo loach, ember tetras, neon tetras, polka dot pictus catfish, 2 panda angelfish, and a half moon red male betta, and 2 black plecos. Filtration is a SeaChem 55 unit and a separate Higger single sponge air filter. This third tank is a 10-gallon with green pebble substrate and live plants. Fish shown are a fancy orange goldfish, danio, zebras, and some female guppies. Filtration is a SeaChem 35 unit and bubbler stone to place oxygen in the water. The fourth tank is a 5-gallon with white sand substrate and live plants. The fish shown are 14-week-old guppies bred from the females in the 10-gallon tank. Filtration is a SeaChem 35 unit. You can see the water is crystal clear in all 4 tanks, and I'll explain that coming up. The key to the crystal clear water is the filter finishing pad. I used 100 micron pads inside the filter unit under the biological stones included with the SeaChem filter units. Just take a pair of scissors and cut out the correct length for the filter. Here is the filter basket for the SeaChem units. Comes with this foam filter. Place that in. Take your pre-cut pads, lay them inside. Take your biological stones, put them on top. Then you'll just insert that into the filter unit itself. You can buy these polishing filter pads on eBay, where I get them. These are high quality pads. This is the ones I use. You want to then place the filter basket into the filter itself. And you're ready to go. You want to remove the pads every 6 days up to 10 days and rinse them off with the high pressure water at your sink until they turn back white again, and just repeat the process. You want to discard the pads after about a month's use, after rinsing them every week or so, and just put the new pads in that you've cut. Seems to work the best for a nice clear crystal tank. All these tanks are well established, are 6 months or older. You can only expect these results after tanks have been cycled for at least 5 weeks after being brand new. I never do water changes after the initial 5 weeks. Do partial water changes in the first 5 weeks. Once a week, 1/3 of the tank. I only top off the tanks with filtered water as needed now, and they stay crystal clear. The oversized SeaChem filter units keep the tanks clean and clear. And an important note is, don't overfeed your tank. This will definitely cloud the water. Thanks for watching.